Hi, I'm Connor from RightClick, and we're introducing a business problem challenge. If you're an employee or business owner who wants to take a look at your business and find some problems that are repetitive that maybe we could automate, what we're going to do is take all the submissions and pick the most interesting business problem. We're going to build at no cost a web application for you to deploy and run in your own business. And then we're going to be able to automate and solve one of those problems. A few examples of this is a map application we created for one of our clients. Their old application was discontinued and wasn't going to be able to use current data, which is critical for their business. We built this application for them to be intuitive and user-friendly. Their old application commonly took about an hour and a half to create a map, while the new one takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Another example is we created a database, inventory, proposal, and project system for a landscaping company. Their old application was developed in Microsoft Access about 20 years ago and is commonly crashing and only runs on an old Windows server. We developed a new intuitive application for them, and now they're able to interact the same way as they used to, but an easily maintained and updatable application. These two applications are a great way to show how you can use software development to increase your business and maybe phase out an old aging system. Please reach out to us at hello@rclick.com or down in the comments below. We can't wait to see all the problems you send us. Thanks.